What's going on, Alfred and Storm Roofing? My name's Keaton with Diciio Media right here in Texas. First, I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and give me the opportunity to send it. So I'm going to try to just go quick. I got a lot of information, but I want to keep this video short so it doesn't take up too much time of anybody. So going right into it, guys, you've got a good-looking website, but what we're going to talk about is ranking on Google. We're going to look at two of your competitors that are doing it and what that could do to generate business online and build your online presence and assets. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. First, let's talk about some ranking factors. Content is always king, so you want photos, videos, titling, text, all that content. If you're helpful to your customers and you're providing informative information, providing that service that they're looking for, Google's going to recognize that and is going to help you out on that ranking. And then another big factor, there's 400 factors, but another big factor is going to be your backlinks. So if you have a strong backlinking profile, you've got a good, fast website with good content on it, you're really going to see that benefit of ranking for buyer intent, location-specific keywords. Which again is people on Google that are typing in, buyer intent keywords mean people are typing in those specific words that they're actively looking for those roofing services in the area. So that's what we're going to look into. This is a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs. We've got stormroofing.com, put it into Site Explorer, and it just gives me a good little breakdown of your website. So we can see how many backlinks you've got, how many referring domains you have, how many organic keywords you're ranking for, and the organic traffic, monthly traffic that you're getting to your website. So this is without paying for ads right here, and let's just check out these organic keywords. So we're going to look in just a minute about buyer intent keywords, but this is one big one right here. Roofing San Antonio, 500. That means 500 people per month search that one keyword. 34 KD, which right up here is keyword difficulty. It's how many other people are competing for that keyword, how many other websites are out there trying to generate that traffic. And then if you got into Google Ads, this column is cost per click. You can imagine about a $20 average for every click if someone types in roofing San Antonio. We can see that we're still way back on like page 7 or something like that, 92 ranking. So getting these buyer intent location specific keywords is really going to generate some more leads, traffic coming in. So let's just take a peek at one of your competitors, actually two of your competitors. We'll start with Elite Roofing Solutions. This is one of their back pages, Roofing San Antonio. So this back page is specific to roofing in San Antonio. Again, content is key. You can see how much content they actually have on this back page, and that is really helping them rank on Google. But let's look at their setup. So at Site Explorer again, Elite Roofing Solutions, we've got their back page. So we're not even looking at their main domain because they're also in Dallas and Houston. We're just specifically looking at San Antonio right now. But we can see how many backlinks they have on this, how many referring domains, how many organic keywords they're ranking for, and look at that traffic per month. So over 1,000 people went to their website in 1 month without paying for any advertising. So let's look at the organic keywords, what they're getting it from. Roofing repairs is a big buyer intent keyword because there's not a lot of times people are asking for a replacement right off the bat. A lot of people just think they always want to repair because they don't want to, nobody wants to pay $14,000, $20,000, $25,000 for a roof if they don't have to. So roofing repairs is great for getting in front of those clients. They might not need a full replacement at there. You help them out, do that replacement, and then they'll call you back for that actual replacement after you help them out with the repairs. So getting right into it, Roofing Repairs San Antonio. Again, volume, 300 people search that keyword in 1 month. KD of 24 out of 100. How difficult is it to rank for it? Again, we got $20 on cost per click. So if you're going to do some Google ad spend, you would expect to pay about $20 on average for this clicks. And then look, they're ranking number 1, and they had 110 people visit their website in 1 month for one buyer intent keyword. So that's what we're talking about, getting those buyer intent location specific keywords on that website. So Let's look at Titan. We're just going to keep moving along. Another website that's doing great on ranking. Again, content is key. Everything from videos, photos, to your actual text. So this is really captivating. If I'm a user jumping on here, this video really captures my attention, shows them the roof. So it's a good job on that top landing page. But let's look at their breakdown as well. We can get into their overview and see the same thing of how many backlinks, how many referring domains once it loads up, the organic keywords that they're ranking for, and the amount of traffic they get on their website per month. So first, let's check out the organic keywords. Roofing San Antonio, that's that big 500. They're ranked number 1 for this buyer intent keyword, and you can see they had 129 people for one keyword visit their website. So I don't know what their conversion rates on how many people are actually calling them or filling out their email submit form, but they're converting on some of this website traffic and generating more business online this way. So another cool thing about this tool, we talked about how important backlinks can be when it comes to ranking, and the method I use to build a backlinking profile is, if it's working for somebody else, it's going to work for your website too. So we can click on that. We can see all the referring domains that they have, and we can see that mod7.com, they have 650 backlinks off of that one domain. And so if that's a backlink that's worth going after and getting for your website, then you just click right here. You can follow those links, and basically it's figuring out how do you get a backlink onto your website, because not all links are created equal. There's good links, there's bad links, there's links that can really help your website, and there's links that help your website a little bit, but if you add up those little bit of links that help your website, it will add up to a very beneficial, getting you up at the top of those rankings. So another thing worth mentioning before I go any further is your Google Map Pack. So we've just been talking about ranking your website, but your GMB, Google My Business, will get you listed up on the Map Pack. If you start ranking that website, it's easier to get listed up on top of those Map Packs. And if you're in the top 3, just think about it, how many times you've said, restaurant near me or something like that. I do it all the time, is just click on that map pack, which one's closest, give me the directions, I got a phone number, I got a website if I want to go right there. So getting on top of those map packs is really beneficial as well, and ranking your website helps that. And then another thing, citations. So just like backlinks will help your website rank, citations are going to help you get listed higher up on that GMB on those map listings. And citations are how many times your company name, phone number, and address are listed on the World Wide Web. So Google's going to crawl the web. They're going to find, your company name, your phone number, and your website. All that information is can be listed in directories. So we're talking about Thumbtack, Yelp, Yellow Pages, even Angie's List. I don't ever advise anyone to pay for their leads, but using their directory to just reference to signals to Google that you're a legit business in the area. The more local citations that you have, the easier it is to rank for that Google map listing. And so if you have your website ranking up at the top, and then you have your map pack ranking right there on that first page, and people come and see it, they see you twice right off the bat, and it just ups that probability of them clicking on your link, going to your website and filling out that form or giving you a call. So that's what we're talking about, guys. I appreciate your time again. I hope you found this video helpful, and please, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. You'll see my contact information at the bottom of the email. So you'll have a good one, and happy Friday.